Hi learners, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we'll do the part 5 and then that will be the exercise 18.3. So these questions have been pasted here because it has only 2 questions in this exercise. So now let us see the first question. The following table shows the favorite color chosen by 33 people. So this is the color and the frequency is given. So we have to draw a bar graph to represent the above data. So this is the data given and you have to answer the questions. So now first what will you do? Based on this data, let us draw the bar graph. So this is the bar graph. In this one, we can see the numbers, the frequency that is, we can see up to 10. So we can either take 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, or we can take the from 1 to 10. So here I have taken from 1 to 10, the frequency is from 1 to 10. And this is the color. So here, these are the bars, and there should be a space between the bars. So now let us see here the first one. This blue is 8. So I've taken on this is the y-axis and this is the x-axis. We can also put here x and y. So on 8, so this is 8. So this is, we can write here blue. Now 6 is green. So on this one, this side, this is green. So here red we have 10. And the yellow is 4 and the purple is 5. So it's okay, Sunny here. So they said give the bar graph a suitable. This is the bar graph, and here you have to write on the y-axis the frequency, and this is the on the x-axis is the color. So these things you have to write it. So this is the bar graph drawn. Based on that, they said give the bar graph a suitable title. So what is this? We can give a title as a bar graph representing this is the favorite color. Because they said the following table shows the favorite color chosen by 33 people. So now, what was the most favorable color chosen by people? So most favorable color we can see here is 10. That is red. So we can say that is red. Only have to mention the color. How many more students choose blue color over yellow color? So now you have to see the blue color and the yellow color. So you have to see the difference between both of them, 8 minus 4. So that is going to be, how many more children? That is going to be 4. 8 minus 4, that is 4. How many students choose purple color? Purple is 5, so we can write there 5. Next one, 4 more students choose red color over a particular color. What color is it? So 4 more students choose red color over the particular color. So now you can see that this is the red color is 10. So 4 more students means you have to see the difference that when you subtract 4 from it, 10 minus 4, so that is going to be 6. So that will be green. So which color is that? Which color is it? So that will be green. So now 10 minus 6, that is going to be 4. So 4 more students. So we can say that is green. So now let us see the next question. The table, this is the table given. Mode of transport that people use to go to school. So this is the mode of transport and this is the frequency. And you have to draw a bar graph to represent about data. Based on the graph, then you have to answer the questions. Now let us draw the bar graph here. So you can see here the numbers are from 3 to 25. So now what you can see, tentatively we can take here this starting from 0, 5, 10, 15, 20 and 25 on the y-axis. And this is the x-axis and this is the mode of transport and this is the frequency. So now you can see the walking. So walking is 10, bus is 25. So you can see here, this is walking is 10. So you will put a bar over here. Bus is 25 means this here. This is bus. Then bike is 7, car is 15, and this taxi is 3. So according to that, you can do here 15, and this is 3 here. So this is the mode of transport, and this is the frequency. So this is the graph drawn. This is the bar graph drawn. So which mode of transport is mostly used? So you can see here is bus is 25. So we can say bus. How many more people prefer car over taxi? So car over taxi means we can see both these numbers, 15 minus 3, that is going to be 12. Is bike the least preferred mode of transport? So the least preferred means this taxi, we can see the number is 3, the least one. So we can say no. But then how many people prefer it? So the bike, how many people prefer it? That is 7. So we can see no, and 7 people prefer bike. How many people would like to walk than taking any other mode of transport? This is 10. So here is 10. So this exercise we have completed. There were only 2 questions. So I have started with the new exercise. So that is exercise 18.4. So sale data of Hindi and Punjabi newspaper in a village of Punjab in the years. These are the years given up to 2018, from 2014 to 2018. And this is the sale data of the Hindi newspaper, and this is for the Punjabi newspaper. So answer the following questions by drawing a double bar graph. That was just a single bar graph. This is the double bar graph. So double bar graph means whenever you draw a double bar graph, so there should not be any space in between these 2 bars, but there should be space after drawing the 2 bars, but in between these 2 bars there should not be any space. So here from 2014 to 18, so you can see here, you can also put here newspaper, sale data of Hindi and Punjabi newspaper in this one in the year. So this is the year, we can say from 2015, this one, and this is the sale data. This will be the sale data of newspaper. So here we can start with, this is 0, and we have to see that we get the equal intervals. Whenever we draw it on this one, there should be equal intervals. So you can see an interval, this is 50, 100, 150. So this interval is on equal of 50. So this is 150 and 380. So here 150 and 380, you can just have a look at the graph. Then again here 200 and 450. Then again here, you can check here, 240 and 520, 400, 550, 500 and 600. So it's easy to plot 500 and 600. This is the last one. You can just check all this one because I have to keep on scrolling it. And then this is already the bar graph is drawn. And which language newspaper is more popular among the villages of Punjab? So you can see this villages of which is popular. That is the in which language newspaper. So you can see here. So this is 600. So we can say Punjabi because this is the biggest one. In which year the difference is the least in sale of 2 languages newspaper? The least. The difference is the least in the sale. So we can see the least is again given here. That is the year is given as 2018. Because they have asked here the difference is the least. So you can see here, this is the difference when you take is 600 minus 500. that is going to be 100. Here this is going to be 150. Again, this also you can check it, 520 minus 240. So that is 280. This will be 250 and this will be, that is going to be 230. So here the difference is 100. So this is the least. Hope you got this, why this is considered as 2018. How many Hindi newspapers were sold in the year 2017? So how many Hindi, that was 400 Hindi newspaper. Can you see the demand for Hindi newspaper has gone up faster? So now you can see this is 150, 200, 240, 400 and 500. So that is yes. So every year the demand is increasing. So these are the answers given over here. Now let us see the next question here. The performance of a student in half yearly and final examination is given below. So these are the subjects. The half yearly, these are the marks for the half yearly. These are the marks for the final. So now these are the half yearly and these are the final, because the blank one, because it is a bar graph, the blank one that is given as half yearly, and because to differentiate, and this is the final marks for, so you can compare this one. So in this one, I'll write the questions here. What you have to do, you have to draw a double bar graph and answer the following questions. So in the first one they said, in which subject is there the maximum improvement of marks? And here the next one, in which subjects has the performance gone down? So these are the two questions what we have to answer in this one. So now let us see, in which subject is there the maximum improvement of marks? So can you see here from 80, and this in half yearly is 80 and final is 83. So this is the difference is 3. Here 78 and here means here there is a negative. In final exam, student got less marks. Here you can see this was 74 and this, the difference is 10. Here is 5. And here again there is in the final exam got less marks. So in which subject is that the improvement? Here that is a 10 marks. So we can say in mathematics, in which subject is the maximum improvement of marks? That is in mathematics. In which subject has the performance gone down? So the performance gone down, as I said, that is in Hindi and the social studies. So the answers are given here. Can you see mathematics, so Hindi and social studies. So the next question here, in a survey carried out in a public school, equal number of boys and girls were asked to pick up their favorite snacks from a list. The students' responses to the survey are listed in the following table. So these are the items, number of girls and number of boys. So you have to draw a double bar graph and answer this one. What comparison does this graph show? So now see here, this is the graph done. So we have taken the equal distance 50, 100 and all. And this one, because it is a double bar graph, the blank one, that is for the girls, and this one is for the boys. So according to the table, we can put for this for chips, chocolates, popcorn, ice cream, sandwich and pastry. This is on the x-axis and this is the number of students that on the y-axis. So you can have a look at this one. that is table. So 220, 290, I think you can do it easily. So this same thing is been plotted over here according to the numbers. I think the graph part is easy. So now what is that? They said, what comparison does this graph show? So what we can say, this graph shows a comparison of what? These are the, we can say the favorite snacks, we can say. Favorite snacks. So we can say this graph shows comparison of favorite snacks. And the next question in here is, which snack food was least preferred by the boys? So which is least preferred by the boys? That is, this is 35. So that is a pastry. And which snack was preferred equally by both girls and boys? Equally, which was that? That this also was 175 and this also was 175. That is the popcorn. So that is written here, pastry and the popcorn. Now let us go to the next question here. So this is the number of persons of a locality watching news channel and entertainment channel on different days of a week. So this is the news channel and this is the entertainment channel, and these are the days of the week. And you have to, here in this one, you have to just draw a double bar graph for the given data. So now let us see the graph. So this blank is for the news channel and this is for the entertainment channel. So according to the this one, we have drawn the graph. So you have taken here now equal interval as 100. So because the last number here we can see that is 700. So we can take a difference of 100. So this is the graph. You can have a look at this graph. So only the graph is there and no questions are given over here. Now same here, the following table gives the career choices by certain number of boys and girls in the age group of 12 to 15 years. So these are the career, this one, and these are the boys and girls, the choice of them. So again here they said draw a double bar graph for the about data choosing an appropriate scale. So this is for the boys and this is for the girls. So this is given here, the blank one for the girls and boys. So this we can write there. So the other number of viewers, and here is the, sorry, this is the number of boys and girls and this is the career, we can say, choice. So only the bar graph is asked here. No questions are given over here. So this is the graph you can check later. So now here, the next one, the last one, number of girls and boys in different sections of class 7 are given below. And you, this is the class and the number of boys and girls are given. And you again here also you have to draw a double bar graph choosing an appropriate scale. So now see here, this is up to 25 we have to take, 23, 20, 18, 25. So here, now let us see how to take the scale for this one. We have to take up to 25. So now what we can do, if we draw a line for on the y-axis up to 25, it is going to be a long line. So we started from here 15. So now you can see here the difference between here, this is 15, and here the difference is just 1, 1, 1. So whenever we have this one, it should be on the equal distance. So the starting point here the difference is 15. So we have to draw, this is called a king. So we have to show like this. That means here the difference is more than the other one. So this is called a king. So we have to do this way. So this thing is the same. Now here this is for the girls and this is for the boys. So it is given here. So this is 7A, 7B, 7C, 7D and 7E. And these are the number of boys and girls. So number of boys and girls in different sections of class 7. So we can write here different sections. On this one we can write the sections we can write. So this is the graph, you can have a look later. So by this one we have completed today's work. Do like and subscribe to my channel so you get the notification of other parts. Thank you.